Google search CrackU free CAT mocks. Click on the first link. You can attempt 3 latest mocks in the actual exam interface. After completing the test, you get detailed solutions, analysis, and percentile along with your scorecard to gauge your All India performance. Click on the solutions to get video solutions from our expert faculty.
Hello friends, welcome to CrackU video series. Well, CAT 2021 is in less than 2 weeks time, and if you are someone who is appearing for the examination for the very first time, you might have this question as how to do the rough work in CAT examination, whether you need to carry with you some sort of paper or writing pad, or you will be provided with paper or pens, whether you need to carry a pen or not. All these questions might be wondering you. So let's get started about how to do the rough work in the CAT examination. For rough work, you will be provided with a writing pad and pen. You need not carry any sheet of paper with you. You do not need to carry any copy notebook with you, because anyways you won't be allowed to carry those things inside the examination hall. You just need to carry the stuffs mentioned in the admit card. So as far as rough work is concerned, you will be provided with a small writing pad, you will be provided with a pen, and you need to remember this very important thing. You will be provided with only one writing pad. Once you are done with it, if you do not have any space left in it, you won't be provided with a new writing pad. So you need to make sure that you do the entire rough work in this single writing pad. For most of us, this writing pad should be sufficient to get all the rough work done. But for students whose handwriting is very large, they might find it somewhat challenging to accommodate all the rough work in this writing pad. So before you start with the examination, if you are taking it for the first time, make sure that you see how many pages are there in the writing pad, and if your handwriting is fairly large, make sure that you use this wisely and judicially, so that you do not face any unexpected circumstance in the examination where you are left with a few questions where you need to do the rough work and you are not left with any space in the writing pad. So make sure you use it judicially, because you will be provided with only one writing pad. So this was all about how to do the rough work in CAT. In the final few days for the CAT examination, if you want to check out a few good high quality national level mocks, you can check out CrackU mocks. The link to the CrackU mocks will be provided in the description section of this video. Do check them out. Hope you found this video helpful. This will help you about all the rough work that you need to worry about in the CAT examination. Wish you all the best for CAT 2021. Thank you.